this is Ace Humanities, and today we'll be discussing the causes of the Cold War. Coming to the first cause, it was the ideological divide. USA was driven by the capitalist ideology, while USSR was driven by the communist ideology. USA wanted to control communism, while USSR wanted to spread. The East European states came under the influence of USSR and they also adopted the communist ideology. This led to an ideological rift between USA and USSR. This was the major and the foremost reason for the Cold War. The second reason was the Truman Doctrine. Truman was the American president at that time. He proposed a program of containment of Soviet Union by providing aid to the Western European states. As told earlier, the East European states had come under the influence of USSR. So, to check that influence, American president provided aid to the Western European states. He thought that providing aid to the European states, they'll come out of poverty and they won't get influenced so easily. The third reason is the Fulton speech. Winston Churchill, who was the British Prime Minister at that time, gave the famous Iron Curtain speech. He said that an Iron Curtain has descended over Eastern Europe. And he said that Eastern Europe will collapse and it will fall under the communist ideology. This speech was supported by Truman, the American president, and this alliance between the American president and the British PM was considered by mistrust, fear, and suspicion by the Soviet Union. The fourth reason behind Cold War was the Marshall Plan. Marshall was the Secretary of State of USA. While the President Truman thought that communism did well when people were poor and suffering, so he thought it could be best resisted by economic aid. So, Secretary of State Marshall came up with a plan to provide billions of dollars of aid to Europe. This convinced the Soviet Union of the American determination to build up strong anti-communist countries. Now, the fifth cause of the Cold War was the Molotov Plan. Molotov was the Russian Prime Minister. To counter the Marshall Plan, he formed the Molotov Plan, in which he provided aid to the Eastern European countries and for their economic revival. This intensified the Cold War rivalry. The last reason behind the cause of the Cold War was the formation of military blocs. These military alliances were formed by US and USSR respectively to strengthen their image in the Cold War. After the Second World War, UNO, the United Nations Organization, was formed to foster peace. I'm sorry I said United States, it's actually the United Nations Organization. After this, NATO, the North Atlantic Treaty Organization, was formed by the US. And the Southeast Asian Treaty Organization was also formed by the US. This was formed in 1949 and this in 1954. While the USSR formed the Warsaw Pact. This was just to counteract these two alliances. The US also formed CENTO, Central Treaty Organization. So, in answer to these three blocks, the USSR formed the Warsaw Pact. Warsaw was the capital of Poland. So, to sum up, we can see that many factors led to the Cold War. Major among them was the ideological divide, that is, capitalism versus communism. Second was the Truman Doctrine by the American president. Third was the Fulton speech by Winston Churchill, the British Prime Minister, in which he talked about an Iron Curtain. The fourth was the Marshall Plan, which was an aid to Europe by US. To countercheck the Marshall Plan, Molotov Plan was formed by the Russian Prime Minister. And the last was the formation of military blocs. The NATO, SEATO and CENTO by US and the Warsaw Pact by the USSR. Thanks for watching this video. Do like it if you found it informative, and share it with others so that they can also benefit from it. And subscribe. Thank you.